What's up, guys? Welcome back, and please, I'm doing this video and they have 0 subscribers, so please make this video have 100 subscribers and 500 likes. So let's get right into it. So as you can see, I'm having a problem with my PS4. It's saying, as you can see, it's saying sign in to PlayStation Network. That goes like, bruh, I already signed in. I can't watch YouTube. I can't play nothing. I can't buy new games for you guys. It's so crazy, man. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna show you how to fix your own PS4, as you can see right here. So I just sort of skipped this and I did this. I did this. Wait, it's just not letting me go out. So you go to your settings, and then you go to settings, and then as you can see, you go to user, and it says go to login settings, and then it says login to PS4 automatically. It says it has to have a check mark. And then that's good, and then you go here. Then you go sign in. And then you need your password, which you cannot see. So, guys, what I'm gonna do is, if you can still hear me, I'm just gonna type in my password very quickly. So now, as you can see, it says, please wait on your PS4. And it says, as a security measure, you need to update your password. So it says update your password means like make a new password for your account. So you press that, and then it shows your sign-in ID email address, and it should have a check mark, and then you press next, which we're about to do. And then it says for me, an email message has been sent to billyrsx@hotmail.com. Follow the instructions in the message to chat the password using a PC. So you need to get a PC to do this shit. And I think so, not to do that. So yeah, you have to do that, and then you're practically done.